New Ty Dolla single just dropped. It's called Expensive. It features Nicki Minaj, and I'm going to teach you how to play on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of a single riff. So to start, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 9th fret of the G string and pluck that once. Then you're going to place your pinky finger on the 12th fret of the high E string and pluck that once. Then you're going to place your pointer finger on the 8th fret of the high E string and pluck that once. And you're going to hammer on to the 10th fret of the high E string with your ring finger. Then you're going to lift your ring finger and place your pointer finger on the 8th fret of the high E string and pluck that once. Then you're going to move down to the 7th fret of the high E string. Then you're going to place your ring finger or your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the B string and pluck that once. Then back to the 7th fret of the high E, 8th fret high E, 7th fret high E, 10th fret B string, 7th fret high E, 8th fret high E, 7th fret high E. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Expensive. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.